Are you, okay. All right, so just quickly you're going to tell me what you're working on today, and then go get started. So Jackson, what are we working on? Okay, I want you to get that subtraction page out and just practice like 4 problems, and let's check those before you move on to 5. Okay? All right. What? No, to 5. Go get that subtraction page and get started. Okay? Sammy, you have a test to finish? And then have you done your pre-test for the next lesson yet?
No, because I had to do that.
Okay. All right, go get that started. Chase, you have a test to finish? And then remember, after you finish Chapter 4, you need to do review for your 1 through 4 benchmark. Okay? All right. Grant, what are we working on today?
I'm working on 5 review.
Awesome. Go get started. Max, what are we working on?
4, 5.
Okay. Go get started. Kasha's not here. Asher, what are we doing today?
6 test.
The review test. LSC is working on her test. Jaden. 7-4. Okay. Samantha, did you finish that with Ms. Cole?
No, she was some problems.
Okay. So why don't you get a whiteboard and a marker and work with Ms. Liz?
Okay.
She just finished Chapter 10, and so she's just starting Chapter 11.
Okay.
Okay. All right. LV. Review test for 4. Okay. Victor, what are we working on? Oh, he just left for an appointment. I forgot. Justice is not here today. Miles.
I'm starting 14.5.
14.5. Hey, Colton, will you not do that? Colton, what are we working on? Okay. Bella, what are we working on?
I think I'm on my quiz that you sent me.
Actually, you finished that. And then why don't you go ahead and get started on Chapter 4 on your pretest.
Okay.
Okay? Because you got that finished. Alina, what are we working on?
4-1.
4-1?
3, 5, 4. 4, 4.
Okay. Jarrett is gone. What are we working on?
4, 5.
4-5? Are you good with it? Make sure you're showing your work and doing math vertically instead of horizontally. Okay? Jordan.
4, 5.
Okay. Andrew.
6 pretest.
Okay. Chloe.
I'm grading 5.
5-6. Isabel.
5-1.
5-1. Isabel, have you met with me about partial products? I think we have. Okay. Nika.
I'm working on my reviewing for my benchmark, which I'm on 1.5, but
Okay.
I'm not actually on 1.5.
Okay. Nika, come here really quick. Jackson, what are we working on? Oh, yeah, you're doing that. Okay. Remember, you don't have to do every single lesson, okay, on your review, because that's going to take a lot of time. So, what's the purpose of the review?
To remember the stuff that we did,
Yep.
that we're going to.
So you've done Chapters 1 through 4, okay, and what we want to do is we want to go back and make sure that we actually remember that information, okay. Give me just 1 second and I'll be right there. Jackson, I will be right there. Okay. So what I would do is don't do every lesson. Go back and the lessons that you're like, I'm not quite sure if I remember this, then maybe pick 1 or 2 problems and then grade it and see how you're doing. But don't do every single lesson.
Yeah.
Okay? So I would say your goal is to practice today and take your test tomorrow. Okay? Or practice for half an hour, and if you feel comfortable, we can take your test today.
Okay.
Okay? But we're not going to practice for days. Make sense? Okay. Yes, sir.
I'm confused about first grade.
Okay, well, let's go look at it together.